Today we're going to test the Soundpeats Cove Pro over-ear headphones. So let's get cracking. All right, so let's start with some unboxing. Once again, we got the Soundpeats Cove Pro high-res audio, wireless, and LDAC. Couple of quick notes: 40mm dynamic driver, 95 hours of playtime, adaptive hybrid noise cancellation, and 7 mic HD call noise reduction. All right, so let's see what's in the box. First off, Type-C charging cable. And here is a first look at the Soundpeats Cove Pro. All right, so real quickly, I'm just going to tell you that these are crazy soft. And then right now I'm going to get it charged up before we start testing. I do want to note that under the box, there are some stickers, also ways to reach Soundpeats, and then also a quick reminder about the app for greater operational freedom and register for exclusive features. And then also make sure you track down the user manual. All right, so we're a bit later. It's all charged up. As you can see, it's powered on. And on the phone, we're just going to track it down with Bluetooth. And bingo, right there are the Soundpeats Cove Pro. And they're connected. And this is something new. I have got this skull over my mic. Let's play a song with the phone and see what it sounds like inside this tiny 3D printed skull. I am not sure if it was useful, but it was kind of fun. That was Piano Blues from Audio Hero. I do want to quickly highlight the manual. Of course, we've got the components. These are the telescopic arms. We've got an LED indicator. We got the forward feed microphone. Of course, we've got the volume buttons, and this also lets you skip tracks. I'll share that in a minute. We've also got the charging port, the multifunction button, and the ANC button. There is the LED. It gives you the battery status. It blinks once every 10 seconds when it's low. When it stays solid red, it's charging. When it's white, it's fully charged. When it's pairing, you'll see red and white lights alternating, and the white light flashes every 10 seconds once it's connected. When you see it flashing rapidly, it is auto-connecting. Pairing the headphones is as simple as powering it on and holding it for 2 seconds. It'll illuminate for 1 second, indicating that it has entered pairing mode. Of course, then you go to your phone and you search for the Soundpeats Cove Pro. The function guide. If you simply tap the volume up or down, it works. If you do a long press, 1.5 seconds for either of those buttons, you skip forward or back a single track. If you want to use the dual pairing or multi-point connection, don't forget you do have to enable that in the app. Finally, if you ever have issues, you can factory reset by simply holding both volume buttons for 10 seconds. Of course, with the main power button, if you single click it, you can pick up, hang up, or pause your music. Hold it for 1.5 seconds to disregard a call. If you hold it for 2 seconds, you power it on, and if you hold it for 3 seconds, you power off. Double click to get to game mode, double click again to shut it off, and then you can also triple click for the mic mode. So I have quickly bounced to the Soundpeats website. If we click this bar right here, you can hit new arrivals, and when you do, you'll get to check out the Cove Pro. Of course, the quick highlights: it's got the auto noise cancellation, 95-hour playtime, it is only 250 grams. Our calls are crystal clear, thanks to the 7 mic array and AI noise reduction. It has a compact fold and go space-saving design, dual mode freedom with Bluetooth 6 and USB-C wired audio. Finally, you can buy them on the website, or you can track down the link in the description of this video to find them on Amazon as well. They are versatile, they have active noise cancellation, it can be tailored to your surroundings, and it's got an awesome 40mm titanium driver. Of course, 95 hours of playback, and you can do a 10-minute quick charge to get up to 11 hours of playback. finally we get a fast and stable connection powered by the Bluetooth 6 architecture. So let's quickly test out the dual mode. I've already got these connected to my phone. Now I want to connect them to my PC. We need to hold it for 4 seconds to re-enter pairing mode. Initially it is white, and there it just blinked into pairing mode. Then on the PC, let's find the Bluetooth. I want to add a device. I'm going to click add a device, audio device, and bang! There we have the Soundpeats Cove Pro and connected. How cool is that? So for my YouTube content, I use Audio Hero. Let's fire up a tune. And I'm just gonna tell you, this is absolutely awesome. Feels like the music is all around me. And the quality. And the quality is fantastic. In the rest of the world, I can't hear a thing. So as I wrap up, of course, I want to say that I absolutely love these. The ease of use with the controls, fantastic, integrated with all of my devices. And of course, I'll give you more after I do the flight later this week. Of course, don't forget you can find links to the device in the description. Finally, friends, I want to say thanks to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 different levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Also, make sure you pay attention for members-only posts. Also, a massive shout out to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love how that group is growing. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe. You're helping HLModTech get a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.